Hello everyone, I'm Mayank and I'll be presenting a demo for the clickstream analysis system that we built for online retail store owners. Okay, so let's get into it. We wanted to leverage AWS technologies to build a serverless system that can ingest, sessionize, process, store, and essentially analyze incoming streaming data from an online retail store website. There are a huge number of users that use such websites to serve a lot of products. They look at product details, they look at their cart, and they check out and do all sorts of stuff. So you want to be able to analyze these events by the click stream data that is generated when they serve those websites and try to gain some actionable insights from them. So in order to simulate that clickstream data, we used a Lambda function. It basically creates random user IDs and takes a choice from with various different devices and an event, which is an event in a retail store website as to when they clicked, and essentially the timestamp of when that event occurred. And we essentially are sending this data to the input stream in Kinesis. This Lambda function is being triggered by a CloudWatch event. We are doing this in order to simulate a real-time clickstream data generation. So after this stream is generated, it goes on to Amazon Kinesis input stream, which is this project stream. And essentially, once the data is ingested over here, it can persist for about 24 hours at the least. We are using Amazon Kinesis data analytics service in order to get the data from the source stream and put it into a destination stream. So while we are doing that, we are essentially sessionizing our data. And what that means is we are recognizing some aspects of a user's session during which they surf a website for a particular period of time. We are able to get their the time when they begin their navigation and when they end their navigation, the event that they begin their navigation on, and the event that they end their navigation on. Also the duration of their sessions and the number of events that they went through in that session. Putting the sessionized data into the destination stream, Lambda function L2 is triggered, which essentially sends the sessionized data into Kinesis Firehose, and eventually that data is sent from Firehose to the S3 bucket that we had set up, and it is stored in the form of JSON files. We used AWS Glue to create a crawler which can be run on a schedule, let's say an hourly schedule, to get the data from Amazon S3 bucket and interpret it as tables. So all of the data that we had earlier created can now be interpreted as tables, and we can query over it using Amazon Athena. We used Amazon Athena in order to query the table that we created by crawling data from S3 by the help of AWS Glue. In Athena, we can easily create views from our data. Let's look at one of those views, which is clicks today. It essentially gives us the daily analysis of our clickstream data. Once we create the views in Athena, they can be used as input datasets for visualizations in Amazon QuickSight. We used Amazon QuickSight in order to build interactive dashboards that can give us actionable insights. Let's look at one of those visualizations. Over here we have a count of session IDs by device. Let's look at the sessions that were created from mobile devices. And over here we'll drill down into this visualization using the drill down function feature of QuickSight. And we'll see that these are the various events that the user started their sessions with. Let's see how many of the people who started their sessions with cart as the first event and ended up checking out. So as you can see over here, 126 of those users actually did check out. So it gives us an opportunity to create actionable insights from simple visualizations. We can use various features provided in Amazon QuickSight, like filtering, in order to delve deeper into our data and get a better understanding of it. Finally, we also use the Amazon QuickSight for sharing our dashboard as an email report, which can be considered as a report to the store manager. Thank you.